would like to welcome you all to Skill Motive Sambrahma 2025. So, on this special day, we are going to have a beautiful discussion with everybody. So, all will starting share your experience and gradually will make it more complicated and will push this program towards debate. So, we'll start with sharing experience and pushing forward to debate. Chalo, Krishna, you will share your experience, what you felt today on Skill Motive Sambrahma 2025.
Thank you, sir. So this is uh, wonderful experience. It will be memorable for my lifetime, sir. And now I felt myself in celebration of this day. So today is also very important, and I meet all my friends, and it is memorable for me.
Wow, thank you so much, Krishna, for sharing your experience today, what you felt. And now I would like our anchor, who was the anchor of and host of today's program, Sushma. Can you please share your experience to all of us, what you felt today, just specifically of this day, what happened? Yes, come on.
Thank you, sir. Actually, it is. I'm never forget this because it is my first anchoring stage. It is helps to me to develop my courage and how to speak, and I learnt more how I want to manage. I made so mistakes, but definitely I am not make that mistakes in next programs if you give me that chance. But it is really wonderful program, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, I want to know, was it your first time as an anchor or you did many times before?
This is my first anchoring, sir.
Wow, but excellent. You did very well. I really appreciate you because first time was very best time.
Yes, sir.
Please clap for us.
Thank you.
And again, I'm happy to say that just because she has enrolled herself with Skill Motive, she got an opportunity to do anchoring. Right, so the stage was in her hand. She managed everything very smoothly and did very well anchoring. So now, just I would like to ask Kavanjali, what was your today's experience?
So it is good, sir. And I enjoyed lot, sir. But I'm sharing one thing, sir. I also gave to name for a speech, but in on stage I have lots of fear,
Huh.
lots of fear, sir. So I didn't give the number. And today I enjoyed lot, sir. And I thanks to for Skill Motive Institute, sir,
Huh.
for conducting these activities and this type of functions. I enjoyed lots, sir. Thank you,
Wow,
sir.
super. Why didn't you give speech? Because you're afraid of speaking
Yes, sir.
on stage.
Yes, sir.
I am making sure that in our next program, you will be the leading speaker. And I follow my words and I'll make it reality. Now I just want to ask, Vinay, how was your today's experience? Could you please share with us?
So it was good and nice experience. Today we have a good experience with in Skill Motive Institute, where all the judges we came to the Skill Motive Institute to celebrate the Sambrama function in 2025. So thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Actually, what we are doing, it is something like, you should feel like celebrity. When celebrities actually go for some events, immediately they come out of the event, they'll be caught off by the medias. So this is what happening. You're not prepared for this. All of a sudden, I catch you. And you are answering me what you felt. It is not prepared. Right? So this is also one of the skills. Speaking without preparation and spontaneous speaking. So now I have another beautiful candidate whose presence means a lot to this platform. I would like to ask Miss Akshata, how was your experience?
Today days I never forget because I never attended the function like in this institute. In our college days also I never attended any functions also, but first time I attended this function. It is like it is not just celebration. It is like incredible memories. Mm, I experienced incredible memories. and I felt happy. Just I don't I didn't came to here. I felt so bad because I missed lots of enjoyments, and I listened someone's
Hmm.
speech. So it was good
Wow,
for
wow,
me.
wow, 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 wow. But you should have come little early so that you could enjoy a whole program. So now I would like to ask, yes, Mr. Karthik, can you please share your good and few words regarding today's program?
Yeah, sir. Today we are gathered all of so happy because today you made food very delicious and sweet. And when you after you will go your journey and you will become a achievers and what happened you whatever you do after you will when you see and come to here meet speak is so happy another I don't know. That's also.
Yeah, very nice. So here I want to ask, and anybody will answer to me this question. So now I just want to know what is more important. I mean to say, what is more important, whether online learning or offline learning through these activities? What is more important? Anyone can stand up and answer me. Yes, Krishna. What is more important?
The offline activities, offline classes are also good, sir. But comparing to that, the offline classes is more best according to me. Because
Online classes are also good.
also good,
Huh.
but according to me, offline classes are the best. It is a superlative degree. I want to use to say because it is the supreme. Okay, with experience learning is the best platform. So this is called skill motives.
Yeah, we all are connected with each other. We are speaking with each other in online classes. What happens, we just open YouTube, we connect it, and we just start watching the videos. We don't get an opportunity to talk with the people behind the camera, right? So here we are feeling it, we will never forget it. So this is what real life based experience. Thank you so much for being part of my platform, Skill Motive Institute, and I make sure that you all will become good public speakers in your life. You all will contribute that so that you can become what you are expecting to become. And make sure that, guys, nothing comes free in life. For everything, you have to go through difficulties, you have to face lot of challenges, then only our journey will become possible for us to achieve it. Otherwise it will always remain tough, difficult, and you will be a person with bad experience. So I don't want you to be a bad person with bad experience. Please keep some good experience so that you could change the people around you. Thank you so much for coming here. Thank you so much. Take care and bye bye.